Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi S5 headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and cooled down to prevent burns. Gather your tools, a new H7 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a T25 Torx bit. Safety is key, so take a moment to prepare your workspace. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to the bulb. Turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This gives you better access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the 3T25 Torx screws holding the wheel well liner in place. Gently pull back the liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly. This step provides the necessary space to reach the bulb. With the housing exposed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully unclip this connector. Then, gently rotate the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Remove the old bulb and insert your new H7 bulb, making sure it's seated properly. Rotate it clockwise until it locks securely into position. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully push the wheel well liner back into place, aligning the holes, and reinsert the 3T25 Torx screws. Before fully tightening, test your new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. Once confirmed, secure everything. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.